Baby, why the rice tastes like dishwashing liquid?
Now you tell me if you use Scotch Brite to get flavor.
Who says Scotch Brite?
You!
A Scotch bonnet, me say Scotch bonnet!
Boy, come here there. Yeah, daddy. Check the leaf here. I see when it come for me now. Daddy, yeah, the leaf here now come. This gone, man. What you mean by gone? Them supposed to lift up the goods them and carry them come here. Hold on there. So you think so them call it lift? Cause them lift up goods and stuff for people? No, that is a taxi. Which blood clotty that call one taxi lift? Anybody when you lift them up from one direction to another one? Eh? Them could call it pick up or something. Is a blind man teach you how to read? No, you know. And your mama teach me. Alright, keep the same energy here.
Yo, if I one thing me learn, never bring your Jamaican bridging them gun. Nowhere. I repeat, nowhere. Brother, me I tell you from now. You see when we going this, no deal with the foolishness. Just say nothing, say Evelyn, and just shut your mouth, you see it? The man have 1 foot, no say nothing to him, you see it? Alright? Dog, shut up and make a god, please, dog. Yo, I go on, no long gonna see you, dog. I want to you. Yo, that.
Is it, yo?
What want it? Dog, suck your mother, dog. Dog, not you me have dog, suck your mother, dog. Yo, lift up out of the place. Dog, lift up, dog, lift up.
Yeah, have I clothes already? Yeah, man, have my clothes, man. Yeah, sure, say have I clothes. Alright, so tell me I'm gonna photo now? Yeah, man, I'm gonna photo right now. Alright, yeah, so that means I'm gonna reach out for you one time. Alright, forward. Barbie girl in a Barbie world. You know? Yeah, I'm reaching right there. Now I put a taxi down, me and forward.
Also, never tell yourself a 4 set time as me, so reach set time.
Yeah, brother, but the next 2 minutes reach, dog.
2 minutes later, Tarated.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Yo!
Yeah, bad man, where you there?
I'm gonna right around the corner.
Yeah, the phone I break up, I got you one tunnel. Right round the bomber corner later.
Brother, at 85 minutes after the last AM, dog, where you there? Me there, you put a forward.
Yo, big man thing, me just get tired away from the dog. So I'm just gonna go and go sleep. You know how long me there so away from you? Dog, you know someone there, fuck off.
Good morning. Is this Miss Donna?
Speaking.
Oh, alright. Let's get straight this fine. Yeah, I'm not bad.
Only an.
Eh?
Only an. Only him, sir.
Eh?
Only an.
You know, feeling on this,
You are still on the husband?
Does that protect you?
Lord, you still on it? No, stop your road and find life. Me a got church.
Fasting start.
What? What are the? Bala. Boy, bring a Red Bull, come. Hold on, sir. This is history in the making. Boy, this is...
You know where my car before? Me not married to sickness.
Gee.
Look, you get married to sickness.
Whole Ross man in the WhatsApp now work. Boy, come here. Yes, mommy. I try to send Polly a voice message there from morning and the blasted WhatsApp now work. See what I'm doing to it, my son. Mommy, the WhatsApp server them now work. We can't fix this, mommy. What do you mean you can't fix it? Bet say for the full tactic something or friggin' game you don't know if you fix it. You just walk this and down and use like a friggin' pooper so. I take the phone and back. More fire from me, man. But mom, me can't fix the server then, but the people them a WhatsApp have to fix the server. Yes, if you move fire from me, I'm going to plate them in the sink. Bet say if I did Miss Pauline son, even I know if you fix the WhatsApp. Friggin' drunk, bro.
Vaccine. Hot and spicy. Taste and buy vaccine. 2 shots kill the coronavirus. Any coughing, any shortness of breath. Vaccine. Hot and spicy vaccine.
Miss?
Taste and buy. Yes, miss? Yes, miss. Vaccine me I sell. You want vaccine?
Much your vaccine?
Silver vaccine, $1,000. Pink vaccine, 50. Red vaccine, $2,000. Which one you want?
Miss, I take vaccine. The government I look for your teeth and I sell.
No, I don't eat.
Miss, me a call police for you.
After you got jail barefoot?
Yeah. I'm going to go this because I'm going to go. Before the girl go show her with the pampas themselves.
Oh, Papa Debbie.
Yeah, man, Miss Debbie attack. This is our police over next time. The same dream, then they go 100 days and come out and back up your son. This is stream that I pick them and say, isolate the vehicle them a pass. The people them there, isolate. Hey, miss. Yeah, isolate, Mr. Yohan. Come here, Mr. You can't touch it, come here, vehicle. I'm in the middle of you.
The other day, I come some woman and order some earpods online. Yeah, I'm swear some find the cheap and clean section. Yeah, I'm swear don't tell me there. You know I know me pick up this morning. Me feel like Amazon need to rename them products. Cause this is not earpod, this is ear clog. If when me and my friend them up around me have an earphone and me can't hear them. When me put in them in my ears, me can't go hear a word. Right now me they are read the whole of manual cause me want know who make this. Me want find somebody ears where this can fit in her. And one thing me know though, them earpods are bad, them unique. Which other earpod you know can?
FM mode.
Yeah man, I ready for my kick now. I wonder how much girl me can get off of them yeah. Hello?
Oof, man, them want go on, me just rich. Roof, yeah, dog. Send down a barrel now. Yeah, man, me general way barrel them there and put 2 dove in it. Me not talk the bird them. Me talk the foreign swap them. You know them, me general. I put 2 gel in it. The bottom body work gel them. Some bait me slide up and dog. Me love them there now. Me don't want to be in the rain. Oh, me dey even land good yet and not talk about barrel. You think I work and travel program me depend? And visa me get some just wait everybody I go govern in me I go file phone you know. Yo, now hear me? Yeah, Rex, we are here. You we have to be general. Yo, you don't know see a beer flowered up on the ground and the tree them and with the right now that beer dumpling me have eat for the rest of my life. Only thing them flower